Hello, my friends. I would like to solve a question for you on external flow in fluid mechanics. So I solved other external flow questions in my earlier video, so you can watch it too. So I will solve a question today for you on wind turbines. So I wrote the question here. So as you know that wind turbines have different types of rotor. So a Savanis rotor is a type of windmill. Imagine that uniform flow is impinged to a rotor with 1 meter per second. Can you estimate the torque exerted about the shaft? So I wrote this question for you on the paper, and then I plotted a figure for this question. I chose this question from Janna's Fluid Mechanics book too. So imagine that the u velocity, u infinity, is 1 meter per second as uniform. So if we have top view for this geometry, we have like a two separate half circle here. In the real applications, of course, they are not half circle, but we choose here as half circle. That's why maybe our results not exactly the same with the real applications. So the diameter of this circle, each of them is the same. Diameter is 0.61 meter here. And then if we choose as 1 and 2 for the separate geometries, CD coefficient for these geometries will be 1.25 and then 2.3 for different geometries. If we go and look at front view, it gonna be like a rectangle. If we choose the this part or this part is the same, we can calculate the area for this part as 0.61 multiplied by 1.83 is equal to almost 1 meter square. So what is the next step? As I said for you, for these types of questions, the next steps for internal flow and external flow, we must calculate the Reynolds number if possible. So firstly, we can look at the properties of air because air is working fluid for this problem. The density is 1.19 kilogram per meter cube, and then dynamic viscosity is 18 multiplied by 10 to the 6 Newton second per meter square. I choose these parameters from different fluid mechanics tables for air. So let's write the Reynolds number formula as the dynamic viscosity. Let's put values to Reynolds number as 1, diameter is 0.61, and then write to viscosity value. So it's gonna be like this. Its value is greater than 10 to the 4. So after that, what is our aim? Our aim is to find the torque. If we want to find the torque, so we must calculate the drag force for each geometries. What is the formulation for drag force? As we know from our lectures, as like this. So we know the all values. Let's write the density, CD coefficients, velocity, and area. So in this case, we can get the values for FD1, namely for first geometry, like this. 1 and 2. I wrote, like this, and then it's gonna be like 0.74. What is the FD2? It's gonna be 1.37. So how can we calculate the torque? The total torque, is equal to FD2 minus FD1. So 1.37 minus 0.34 is equal to 0.63, I think. So its value is positive. It means that the windmill turn clockwise direction, namely like this is our windmill, and it turns like this. So we solved the question. It was maybe easy question, but it's good question on application of external flow. I am going to continue to solve this type of question in the future. So please subscribe to my channel to follow this solution, and then I hope we can get big success for your exams or lectures. So let's see in another videos. See you.